Hi guys, today we are learning how to transfer your DeepSeek AI search history to a new phone. First, unlock your old phone and open the DeepSeek app. Before setting up your new phone, sign out of your DeepSeek account on the old device if you no longer want to use it there. This helps you switch to your new phone more easily. Now unlock your new phone and open the DeepSeek app. You'll see the sign-in screen with different login options. Make sure you're ready to sign in using the same account you used on your old phone. Choose the same login method that you originally used to create your DeepSeek account. For example, if your account was created with Apple, tap Continue with Apple. Using the same account is the key to accessing your existing data after selecting your sign-in method. Review the prompts and tap Agree if required. This allows you to continue with the login process and access your account on the new device. Next, tap the Sign In button at the bottom of the screen. If your phone uses Face ID or another authentication method, complete the verification to securely log into your account. Once you're signed in with the same account, your existing conversations and search history should automatically appear if they are synced with your DeepSeek account. If everything loads successfully, you can continue using DeepSeek on your new phone just like you did on your previous device. And that's how you can transfer your DeepSeek AI search history to a new phone by signing in with the same account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below for more simple tutorials.